Hi everyone, funny story time. In one of my divorce cases, on the stand while the case was pending, the attorney asked the other party about some transactions that we noticed on a bank statement, specifically large amounts, large deposits, consistently checks, buying a vehicle, some other things that had happened. While we're representing husband, wife was questioned on these issues. And when she was asked about who this person was that wrote these checks and who purchased her car and did all these things while the parties were married, her answer was that it was a philanthropist. So we looked up the person. We don't see any data, internet search, any just basic search on this guy says that he's a philanthropist. He's a sugar daddy. And she sugarcoated that for the court, but the court knew what was up, especially because we did a great job of going through her documents, her tax returns, and more importantly, her bank statements that had his name traceable on those checks that he wrote that she cleared in those bank accounts. So just be mindful of that when you're going through a divorce, that those things are accessible to the court through a process called discovery. And if you don't give them to us, we'll get them through the court order. So you might want to make sure that you're clear of those types of inadequacies, even though both the District of Columbia and Maryland are not fault jurisdictions. They can use fault, or they can use the basis or the reason why we're filing for the divorce in an alimony claim and when they're distributing marital property. So keep that in mind. Again, it's not a reason you can get a divorce anymore in Maryland or DC, but it is a part of the court's analysis on whether or not you're going to get alimony, whether or not there's going to be an equitable distribution, meaning equal distribution of certain assets, or they're going to give one party more of a percentage than the other. Just wanted to give you guys that funny story that we had in court. And if you're in need legal services in the state of Maryland or in the District of Columbia, please give us a call, 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.